Eating healthy is key for weight loss. It gives you energy, it helps you feel good, it's about nourishing your body. Small changes can make a big difference. Busy lives need easy meals. These recipes are quick and healthy. They are perfect for weight loss. Delicious and satisfying. Asterisk salmon fillets, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are the star of this dish. They are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, providing essential nutrients that support heart health and brain function. Mixed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and peppers add a burst of color and a variety of nutrients to your meal. These veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. Don't forget to season them with salt and pepper to enhance their natural flavors. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that both the salmon and the vegetables cook evenly and develop a beautiful, roasted texture. Toss the veggies with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Olive oil not only helps in roasting but also adds a rich, smooth flavor to the vegetables. Make sure each piece is well coated to achieve that perfect roast. Place the salmon and veggies on a baking sheet. Arrange them in a single layer to ensure even cooking. The salmon should be placed skin side down to keep it moist and flavorful. Roast for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is opaque and flakes easily with a fork, and the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Salmon is high in protein and healthy fats, making it an excellent choice for a balanced diet. Its rich, buttery texture pairs perfectly with the roasted vegetables. Roasted veggies are low in calories and high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. This colorful medley not only looks appealing but also provides a range of health benefits, making it a perfect side dish to complement the salmon. Serve your speedy salmon with roasted veggies hot, garnished with fresh herbs like parsley or dill for an extra touch of flavor and a pop of color. This dish is not only quick and easy to prepare but also a wholesome, nutritious meal that the whole family will love. Enjoy this delightful meal with your loved ones, knowing that you are serving them something healthy and delicious. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion, bringing everyone together around the table. And there you have it, a speedy salmon with roasted veggies that's sure to become a favorite in your household. Bon appetit! Asterisk. Start with fresh chicken breast, diced into bite-sized pieces. This will ensure that the chicken cooks evenly and absorbs all the flavors of the stir-fry. Next, gather a colorful array of mixed vegetables like broccoli, snap peas, and carrots. These vegetables not only add vibrant colors to your dish, but also provide a variety of textures and nutrients. For the sauce, you'll need soy sauce, honey, and fresh garlic. The soy sauce adds a savory depth, the honey brings a touch of sweetness, and the garlic infuses the dish with a rich aroma. First, heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a bit of oil. Sauté the diced chicken until it's fully cooked and has a nice golden brown color. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Then add the mixed vegetables to the pan. Stir-fry them together with the chicken until the vegetables are tender crisp, which usually takes another 5 minutes. This ensures the veggies retain their crunch and vibrant color. While the chicken and vegetables are cooking, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, and minced garlic in a small bowl. This simple yet flavorful sauce will tie all the ingredients together. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables in the pan. Stir everything well to ensure the sauce coats all the ingredients evenly. Let it cook for another 2-3 minutes so the flavors meld together perfectly. Once done, serve the stir-fry hot. Chicken is a lean protein source, making it an excellent choice for a healthy meal. It helps in muscle building and repair and keeps you feeling full longer. Vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals which are crucial for maintaining good health. They are low in calories but high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. This chicken stir-fry sensation is not only delicious but also a nutritious meal that you can enjoy with your family. It's quick to prepare, making it perfect for busy weeknights. Enjoy the burst of flavors and the wholesome goodness in every bite. Section 5, Tasty Tofu and Veggie Power Bowl. This dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will fuel your body and keep you energized throughout the day. Extra firm tofu, pressed and cubed, mixed greens such as spinach, kale, or arugula, your favorite dressing whether it's a tangy vinaigrette, creamy tahini, or a simple olive oil and lemon juice mix. 1. Marinate tofu in your favorite sauce. You can use soy sauce, teriyaki, or even a spicy sriracha blend. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb all the flavors. 2. Bake or pan-fry tofu until golden brown. Baking will give it a firmer texture, while pan-frying will make it crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Both methods are equally delicious. 3. Assemble the bowl with quinoa, greens, avocado, and tofu. Start with a base of cooked quinoa, then add a generous handful of mixed greens. Top it off with the marinated tofu and slices of creamy avocado. 4. Drizzle with your favorite dressing. This is where you can get creative. Add a splash of balsamic glaze, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or even some fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. Tofu is a plant-based protein source. It's low in calories but high in protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Quinoa is a complete protein and high in fiber. It's also gluten-free and packed with essential amino acids, making it a perfect base for our power bowl. Together, tofu and quinoa create a balanced meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Section 6. Time-saving tips for speedy meals. Chop veggies ahead of time. Cook grains in bulk for the week. Use pre-washed salad mixes. Invest in a slow cooker or instant pot. Section 7. Fueling your body, reaching your goals. These recipes are delicious and nutritious. They will help you lose weight and feel great. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a race. Section 8. Get cooking. Try these recipes. You can adapt them to your liking. Enjoy the process of cooking healthy meals. You've got this.